education. It's time, get up and shout. I wonder what we'll learn about Blippi Wonders.
Whoa, a giant construction site. Let's go check it out. Hard hat area. I wonder, why do construction workers need to wear hard hats?
Hey, I'm driving here.
Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi, and this is D.Bo. We were wondering, why do construction workers wear hard hats?
Oh, well, hello there, Blippi and D.Bo. My name is Christopher Crane. How you doing? Uh-oh, here, put these on. You'll need them.
Okay.
Come with me. I need to bring these beams to the other side of the site. I can teach you about hard hats on the way. Here. Construction sites are very dangerous, and a hard hat helps protect your head from many risks, like, swinging steel beams. Whoa, watch out!
Whoa, that was a close one.
That's why we gotta be careful, Kareem, how you doing? That's my buddy Kareem. He's a good guy, very tall. Come on.
Hi, Kareem.
Hey, D.Bo, look out for those pipes.
It's a good thing you're wearing your hard hat, D.Bo.
Hard hats are great at protecting your head against bumps, Still got a ways to go. Hop on.
Yeah! Whoa! Look at all those construction workers all the way up there.
Oh, sounds like lunch to me. But remember, there are dangers all over a construction site. You gotta be careful when walking below workers because you never know when something might...
D.Bo!
Fall. All right, stop goofing around. We got a job to do.
Let's go. Uh-oh. Yeah! Thanks, Christopher.
All right, let's get this job started.
Yeah!
This is the hard part. Gotta line it up just so.
Whoa!
Watch out!
Oh no! D.Bo! D.Bo! Are you okay?
Hey, look! You helped install the last beam.
Yeah! And I got the answer to my question. Construction workers wear hard hats to protect their head from bumps and falling objects. Upload answer, D.Bo.
Hey, I got another job to do. Thanks for your help, Blippi. I'll see you later.
Bye, Christopher.